Welcome. If you're a startup or small to medium-sized enterprise and you're striving for ISO 27001 certification, we have something that can help streamline your journey. Introducing our Notion Information Security Management System, your one-stop solution for efficient ISO 27001 compliance. This system is a comprehensive digital tool specifically designed to guide your organization step-by-step towards robust information security. Our Notion ISMS contains all elements required for ISO 27001 certification. It comprises of detailed processes, checklists, and templates that are perfectly aligned with global standards, yet adaptable to your specific business needs. But that's not all. What makes our system stand out is its user-friendly interface and helpful guidance through every step of the ISMS implementation. It's not just about achieving compliance, it's about understanding it, making it part of your organizational culture. So join us on this journey towards enhanced information security. We're here to assist you every step of the way. Welcome aboard.